Hi boys and girls. Today we are working with S blends. S blends are two consonants side by side, and the first one is the letter S. S blends can be found at the beginning of the word or at the end of the word. Please write your name at the top of the paper. After you write your name, you are going to start with coloring all the SP words in our word box at the top. Spam has an SP blend. Span has an SP blend. Please pause the video and continue coloring all of the words with SP blends. Let's read all of the SP blend words in our word box. Spam, span, spar, spark, spot, spat, spill, spin, spell, sped. Way to go, boys and girls. Please now finish the spin, read, and write on your own. Pause the video and push play when you are done. All right, boys and girls, good job finishing spin, read, and write. We are now going to work on our last section at the bottom of our page. You can see that Mrs. Nimitz already colored our short letters green, our tall letters yellow, and our basement letters blue. You do not need to use any colors during this. I just use them for you to see. I'm going to color all of our basement letters first. P is a basement letter. Wow, all of these P's are basement letters. I'm going to color our tall letters. L are tall letters. K is a tall letter. T is a tall letter. And T. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to color all of our short letters green. Short letters are letters that touch the dotted line, but do not go into the basement. All right, first grade friends, now with your pencil, you are going to write the word spill into its matching box frame. Let's read all the words together. We have spill, spark, spot, spout, and spin. I see that spill has a short letter, basement letter, short letter, tall letter, tall letter. 5 letters in all. So the word spill is going to go right here. S, p, I, o, o. All right, boys and girls, you're on your own for spark, spot, spout, and spin. Please finish the last 4 words, pause the video, and flip your paper over for writing, spelling sentences. Okay, my friends, please write your name at the top of your paper. This is our first time doing sentence writing during Daily 5. I am going to pick an SP blend on the other side of the paper to write in a sentence. I am going to choose the word sped from my word box on the other side of my paper. Now I need to put the word sped into a complete sentence. I am going to write sped in the sentence, the car sped up the hill. You'll notice that you have 2 lines for each sentence, but when we start, we want to start on the far left-hand side of our page. The car sped up the hill. And I always need ending punctuation at the end of my sentence. Let's read the sentence together. The car sped up the hill. I have a capital at the beginning of my sentence. I have finger spaces between every word, and I have a period at the end to end my sentence. Please pause and write the sentence, the car sped up the hill. And I'm going to underline the word sped so that your teacher can see which word you're using from your S blend. Now we're going to choose a different S blend from the other side of our page. I'm going to choose the word spill. I need to think of a sentence that has the word spill in it. Let's see. Please do not spill your milk. So I'm going to start with the word please. I need a capital at the beginning of my sentence because every sentence starts with a capital letter. Please, finger space, do, finger space, not, finger space, spill, my milk. And I have 2 lines per sentence, so I don't have to squish my words together. Please underline the S blend word that you used in your sentence. Spill. My next sentence is going to have the word spark. Now I need to think of a sentence with the word spark in it. I saw a big spark. So on number 3, we need a capital at the beginning of every sentence. I saw, finger space, a, finger space, big spark. And I'm going to use an exclamation point because that could be something you might say loud. I saw a big spark. Please pause the video if you need more time. Way to go, boys and girls. I'm so impressed. Let's underline the SP blend in our last sentence. The word was spark. For number 4, let's think of a sentence with the word spin. Spin. Can you think of your very own sentence? If you can, please pause the video and write your very own sentence. If you need help, that's okay. I'm right here for you. The word is spin. I like to spin around. So next to number 4, we are going to write that sentence. Capital at the beginning of your sentence. I, finger space, like, finger space, to, finger space, spin, finger space, around. period at the end of our sentence. Please pause if you need more time, and that is okay. Okay, boys and girls, number 5 is the word spot. Now I want you to do this sentence all by yourself. Please take your time when you're writing a sentence with the word spot in it. Please remember to use a capital at the beginning of your sentence, finger spaces between your words, and a period for ending punctuation. When you are finished writing your sentence with the word spot, please make sure your name is on your paper. Turn your paper into your mailbox and move on to Lexia. Way to go, boys and girls, with our first time using sentence writing during Daily 5. You did great. Move on to Lexia. Thank you.